Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to take these Dahlia Seed Pods and process them until we're left with just these Dahlia seeds. So keep watching, I'll show you how we do it. All right, let's take a closer look at these seed pods. So once they've dried out, this is what you're going to be left with. This is your dried Dahlia Seed Pod. And in here, you're going to have maybe 15, 20 Dahlia seeds. So I'm just going to show you how you get into one of these if you've never done this before. As soon as you do one, it's pretty straightforward. So just take your seed pod and go like this. And if it's dry enough, it'll just crumble completely off of its seed pod and you will be left with this. So here's what we're going to do once you get it down to this. You're going to just go through and you're going to see in some of the pieces of what we call chaff, which is just this papery stuff, there's going to be actual Dahlia seeds. So there's your Dahlia seed right there. And that is obviously what we are looking to collect. So come back to your pile here. If you just go through, what I do is I just kind of crumble them up because it's super dry and the seeds are tough, but the chaff is not. And so it breaks up the chaff and it just leaves the seeds behind. But then you're left with a bit of a mess with all kinds of chaff. And so what I do then is I just take my hands like this and make a little dome, and then I just gently blow. And it moves all of the chaff and it leaves and reveals all of the seeds. So then you can go through and just grab any last ones that are still stuck to the chaff that blew away, and then voila, here are your seeds. So just from that one seed pod, you can see we got all of these Dahlia seeds, and most of them are looking quite viable. If they're really brittle and they break and crumble in your finger, then they're not gonna grow new dahlias. But if they're looking dry and have a little bit of like meat on them, they got like a little bit of thickness to them, you're good to go. Once that hits water, it's gonna start turning into a plant. So there's your Dahlia seeds from one seed pod. And just like that, we went from this to this. Pretty quick, pretty easy. So there you have it. It doesn't have to be so difficult to remove your Dahlia seeds from the seed pod. It's just time consuming. What I find is the most time consuming is getting rid of all of the chaff after you've broken down the seed pods and separating your individual seeds from all of the dried out flower petals. And if you leave these dried out flower petals in, what'll happen is when you go to germinate your seeds, they will be in the mix. And when you get them wet, they actually kind of start to rot. And so you really want to just be germinating the seeds on their own. There any of that chaff in there. You know, one thing you can do, you can just throw in a movie and just take each seed out slowly one by one while you watch a movie. That's the best way. So if you look over here, I've got this big pile of seeds here. There's probably, I don't know, a couple of thousand seeds here. And there's a bunch of little bits of chaff in there that I am going to need to get out. So another thing that I do that I'm finding works pretty well is if you just go and gently blow while you're dropping all of the seeds, the chaff is much lighter and it blows away from the seeds, leaving just the seeds behind. And then you can kind of just take all of this stuff away. So that's another method that I'm trying, but the goal is to just have the seeds on their own, no chaff. So that is how you get it done. So if you have these seed pods that you collected in the fall and you've been putting it off, don't be so worried about it. It's really easy. It is a little bit of a mess and it is time consuming, but you will be able to process all of those pods down into seeds and plant new dahlias next year. Thanks so much for watching and checking out the channel. If you liked that video, you got to check out this one and subscribe so you get notified every time I post a video. See you later.